Welcome everybody back to my channel. Seth K Bani here. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If today is your first time here, kindly subscribe and you'll not miss out on any freebies and any resources that I come your way with. Also, this is a place for every graphic design content that you need, from flyers, banners, as well as fonts and anything that I think is graphic design related. And also, I don't want you to jump straight to the description to get the file I'm about to give you. I'm going to spread it into three. The password, I'm going to spread it into three because it's password protected. Alright, so once you get the password, the three password, you'll be able to get access to the content of the file. Also guys, I want you to know I love you all guys. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'm so grateful to have you here. Alright, now without further delay, I like to use brushes a lot. As a graphic designer, one of the things I do is brushes make my work quite easy and creative, and also communicate a kind of casual as well, you know. And blending or pairing fonts together, I like to also throw in signature fonts and brush fonts. I try as much as possible to use them because it spices up the work. Okay, and today I'm going to give you 25 fonts. I'm going to type Allison. These are all the fonts you're going to get. I want you to see how it looks like so that it doesn't you know, you don't feel like maybe you don't know what you are going in for. If you feel like this is the font you want, kindly subscribe. Okay, Allison fonts. It's really nice. Let me go to images. I want you to see how it looks like. You can see Allison fonts, really nice, right? Really nice. And so Allison font is one. We also have Allison Tessa is also another font. You can see how it also looks like, really nice font. Okay, so Allison Tessa is two, and then we also have Amanda Signature, also a very nice font for you to use. Alright, so now I'm going to just mute the speakers and then I'll let you to just watch it. This is Artie Signature. This one is Asem Candice font. Asem Candice font. Asem Candice font. Ballerina font. Beatrice Signature. Brotown Signature. Colleen Signature. You can also see Colleen Signature. Creation Signature or Creation font. I like to use this a lot. Hairtine Signature. Hairtine Signature, really nice. Really nice. Holy Mount font is another font I use a lot. Holy Mount, I use it a lot. We also have Calem typeface or Calem font. We also have Lihataja font. Lihataja font. Some of these names are quite interesting, but still a font, right? Love Tony is also another interesting font. You can see how lengthy and how long it is. We have Majestica font. So that's Majestica font for you. We have Mr. De Havilland. Mr. De Havilland. Really interesting font to use. Then we have this one as well. Let me pick it. That is it. Prestige signature script. Prestige. So this is how it looks like. Then we have PW signatures. There's also one interesting font. See how it looks like. Really interesting. PW signatures. We also have Resmanisa font. Resmanisa font. So that is it. Also very nice. We also have Rindu Alarm font. Rindu Alarm font, really nice. And then we have Southern font. Southern font. Interesting. And then we have the Quintine. The Quintine font. Really interesting. Now guys, as I said, everything is going to be in the description for you. It's password protected. You should have been able to see the password. Now if you haven't seen the password, please go back again. You'll find the password. Now kindly love this video or like this video and comment below, and I promise I'll come your way with another freebie again. Give this video 50 likes and then I'll continue to do this stuff for you, because I really love to give you guys free stuff. I love you all guys. See you in the next video.